Greetings and introductions. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
My name is Maya.
Nice name. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
That's great. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice. Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite color?
I like green.
Nice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Daily routine.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and fruit.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner for my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep very well. At work or school. Where do you study?
I study at City College.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Rao.
When do your classes start?
They start at 8 in the morning.
That's early. How long is your class?
Each class is 1 hour.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, they are nice people.
What do you do after class?
I go to the library.
Do you take lunch to school?
Yes, I bring my own lunch.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I do.
Shopping and food.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I buy them at the local market.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love apples.
How much is this mango?
It's 50 rupees.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking very much.
What do you cook often?
I cook rice and vegetables.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I like tea more.
Where is the supermarket?
It's near the post office.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's go eat. Weather and free time. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
Is it cold today?
No, it's hot.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit my friends.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What type of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you travel often?
No, not very often.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit London.
What time is it now?
It's 3 o'clock.
Family and friends. Do you have a big family?
Yes, we are 6 members.
Who is the eldest in your family?
My father is the eldest.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, on weekends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Raj.
How long have you known him?
For 5 years.
What do you do together?
We play cricket and talk.
Do you help each other?
Yes, we always do.
Health and fitness. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, every morning.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga and jogging.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat fruits and vegetables.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, about 8 glasses a day.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, around 7 hours a night.
How often do you visit the doctor?
Once a year.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't need any now.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, I don't.
What do you do to relax?
I meditate and listen to music.
Travel and holidays. Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
Where did you go last holiday?
I went to Goa.
How did you go there?
I went by train.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
How was the weather there?
It was sunny and warm.
What did you do there?
I swam and walked on the beach.
Did you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, not yet.
Where would you like to go next?
I want to visit Singapore.
Do you like long journeys?
Not really, I prefer short trips.
Technology and gadgets. Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, every day.
What brand is your phone?
It's a Samsung.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use YouTube and Google.
How many hours do you use your phone?
About 2 hours a day.
Do you watch videos online?
Yes, I watch on YouTube.
Do you play mobile games?
Sometimes when I'm free.
Do you use a laptop for work?
Yes, I do my office work on it.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I buy clothes and books.
Do you like reading e-books or paper books?
I like paper books more.
At the restaurant. Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I want some pasta.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll take juice.
Do you want it cold or hot?
Cold, please.
How is your food?
It's very tasty.
Do you like spicy food?
A little bit.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I'll have ice cream.
How much is the bill?
It's 500 rupees.
Do we share the bill?
Yes, let's share it.
Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, it was delicious.